If you're wondering how to buy a Coursera course, the process is actually very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know before making a purchase. You'll also find a link in the description below where you can check the latest Coursera discounts, including special offers available on Coursera Plus plans. To get started, visit Coursera and search for the course you want to take. Once you open the course page, you'll usually see pricing information along with options to enroll directly or start a free trial if one is available. Many individual courses and specializations have their own monthly subscription prices. After selecting your preferred option, simply create a Coursera account if you don't already have one and proceed to the checkout page. At checkout, enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is complete, you'll immediately gain access to the course materials and can begin learning at your own pace. However, before buying a single course, it's worth considering whether Coursera Plus might provide better value. If you plan to take multiple courses throughout the year, a Coursera Plus subscription can often save you money because it includes access to more than 10,000 learning programs under one membership. With Coursera Plus, you can explore subjects like artificial intelligence, programming, business, data science, project management, and much more without paying separately for each course. Another benefit is that you'll earn certificates for completed courses, which can be added to your LinkedIn profile and resumed to showcase your skills. So, while buying an individual course is easy, many learners find that Coursera Plus offers greater flexibility and better long-term value. If you'd like to check the latest Coursera deals and discounts, you'll find the link in the description below.